Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's about the Google Slide application, and I would like to show you the way how to do collaborative work on your Google Slide documents on iPhone. So the thing that you have to do now, open your Google Slide application on your phone, and after that you just need to decide which documents that you want to do the collaborative work with. So here, for example, let's do it this. To manage the access or to do the collaborative work, you just need to open the documents and you need to take a look on this upper features or tools here. In the middle part there is someone with the plus button, and then you just need to go click this, and after that you just need to jump into this manage access and go into the general access, go change from restricted here into anyone with a link. And now you need to decide either someone who received the link have an access for view the documents, comment the documents, or edit the documents. If you want to do the collaborative work, go with the editor. And whenever everything is changed, now you just need to copy the link and you need to send the link into your teamwork to start the collaborative work. So that is the way how to do collaborative work with the Google Slide on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.